How to create and send a zip file via email. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Files application on a device and select any file that you'd want to send as a zip file. So I'm going to select one of the videos over here. So all you have to do is just make a long press on any of the video that you'd want to send as a zip file. Now what you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and simply tap on this compress option. So as you tap on compress, it will compress the file into a zip file. So simply you have to enter a zip file name. Then tap on compress, and after a few seconds it will start compressing, and you just have to wait for a while to get it compressed. So after it getting compressed, you can see the file over here. You can see the compressed files. So now you just have to tap on the file over here, tap on the share icon, and you just have to tap on the Gmail option. So as you tap on the Gmail option, you can just set it to wherever you would want. So that's how you can create and send a zip file via email. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.